episode of It's Food, Dude. So I'm back with another cooking video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys 4 ways to make mermaid cupcakes. Everyone's going so crazy for the mermaid theme and unicorn theme, and since I already made unicorn stuff, I decided why not make mermaid stuff. So if you like how that sounds, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm starting with a basic vanilla cake mix. If you want to dye your cupcakes like I did, you're definitely going to want a lighter color cake mix. So definitely vanilla, white, something of that sort. And then just follow the instructions on the back. So my cake mix says I need 1 cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all together. Like 4 drops of food coloring in there. I'm gonna dye my cupcakes blue so that they look like more like mermaids. So your cake mix should make about 24 cupcakes, but I'm only gonna make 12, and right now I'm just lining all of my cupcakes. So with a spoon or a cup, just make sure to fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 of the way full, and then you can bake those at 350 or whatever your package says on the back. And I'm just going to use a wet paper towel to get up all of the excess cake batter. And so my cupcakes just got out of the oven, and I'm just going to let those cool, and I'm going to start working with my frosting. So I have my purple frosting already made, some dark blue frosting, and then I have some light blue frosting. You can do whatever colors you choose, but I think these colors look the prettiest. And so right now for this first cupcake, I'm going to put half of my bag full of light blue frosting and the other half of my bag with dark blue frosting. And then when I squeeze this, it's going to be 2 cupcakes. And for also one of the cupcakes, you will need a tricolor frosting. So you can just line your frosting in a row. I'm doing the purple, the light blue, and the dark blue. I put that on some parchment paper. I'm going to cut both ends, and then I'm just going to put that in a piping bag. So when I squeeze my icing, it'll be 3 different colors. Okay, so moving on to the first cupcake, I have a rose tip, which is a 104. I'm starting from the top of my cupcake because I want it to look like a mermaid shell or like a mermaid tail. And I'm going to slow it down so you guys can see. But I'm just piping really slow in an up and down motion. I start up and then I slightly pull down. And then I'm just continuing to squeeze. It's really nothing too complicated. Just follow the natural angle of the tip and then just keep that going. And if you're having troubles, you can just always rewind the video. And now that the cupcake is done, I'm going to put some sprinkles on there. I went to Michael's and they have tons of different sprinkles that only cost $1. They have pearls, everything you can imagine. So I'm just going to do whatever I want, and so can you. Okay, so moving on to the next cupcake. This one's not anything too crazy. I'm just smearing a little bit of frosting on there. You can use a butter knife, a cupcake spatula, whatever you want. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then I've got another pastry bag, and with one side of the bag I put light blue buttercream and the other side I put white buttercream. And this one you're going to need a 21 tip at the end of your bag, and then I'm squeezing on my table so that I can get both of those colors to come out. And when I do, I'm gonna go ahead and start piping up so it kind of looks like water, and then we can put our mermaid tail on there. I ended up getting my mermaid tails from Walmart. I don't recommend these ones because they were really hard and they were breaking. So definitely try to find some different ones at Michael's. And for our next cupcake, I'm using the bag we did earlier with the 3 colors. I'm starting in the middle, working my way out, and then just dragging that tail. And like you can see all of the colors in this. And then I'm just putting a few of my white edible pearls on there, which looks so cute. And then I'm just going to add a couple of my sprinkles that I bought from Michael's as well. Again, you can do whatever color themes you want. I just like how the white pops out, and then I just like how the glitter looks on there. But feel free to do whatever you want. Okay, so moving on to the last cupcake, I'm using the rose tip again, the 104. I'm starting at the top and then just moving in an up and down motion, and this time I'm going to go around my cupcake, and then I'm just going to leave a little space in the middle. I'ma ride it till it's over. And then using the same bag that we did earlier, I'm starting from the outside and piping in so it looks like a little mountain. And then I'm just going to put my favorite mermaid sprinkles on there. Once again, I'm going to use those white little pearls because I just love how cute they look. And then I'm going to do a couple of my other glitter sprinkles. And then I'm going to put my mermaid tail at the end as well. And here's all of our beautiful mermaid cupcakes. If you liked it, give it a fat thumbs up, a juicy thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. You can comment below. I will get back to you. And if you need help finding any mermaid themed stuff, check out some of my Dollar Tree videos. I haul a lot of mermaid stuff, and you can find a lot of theme party stuff there. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye! Have an amazing day!